Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Apex Autos Sure. Here's a 4-minute YouTube video script, article for the 2025 Maruti Cervo, covering all its main components and price, in a smooth narrative flow without headings. The 2025 Maruti Cervo has finally arrived, and it's creating waves across the Indian auto market. Designed as an affordable yet stylish hatchback, the Cervo combines Maruti's trusted efficiency with a refreshing compact design that appeals especially to urban drivers and first-time car buyers. Let's take a closer look at what makes this car a standout in its segment. Starting with its exterior, the new Cervo boasts a bold and sporty design. The front grille is compact but aggressive, paired with sleek LED projector headlamps and integrated DRLs that give it a premium look despite its budget-friendly tag. The sculpted sides, compact dimensions, and sharp character lines provide a sporty feel, while the 14-inch alloy wheels complement the overall aesthetics. Under the hood, the 2025 Maruti Cervo is powered by a 1.0-litre K10C dual-jet petrol engine, delivering around 67 bhp and 89 Nm of torque. It's tuned for city performance and excellent fuel efficiency, offering an impressive mileage of up to 24 km/L. The engine is paired with either a 5-speed manual transmission or a 5-speed AMT, catering to both purists and those looking for an easy, stress-free commute. Moving inside, the cabin feels modern and functional. The dashboard features a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support, steering-mounted controls, a digital instrument cluster, automatic climate control, and electrically adjustable ORVMs are included in the higher variants. Though compact, the Cervo manages to offer decent headroom and legroom for 4 adults, with fabric upholstery and cleverly designed storage spaces adding to everyday usability. In terms of safety, Maruti hasn't compromised. The 2025 Cervo comes equipped with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, a rear-view camera, and even hill hold assist in the AMT version. It also features a high-strength steel frame and meets the latest Indian crash safety norms. On the technology side, you get features like keyless entry, engine start, stop button, and a multifunction display that shows real-time fuel efficiency, trip info, and more. The touchscreen system is smooth and responsive, and the sound system, though basic, is good enough for casual music lovers. Now, let's talk about pricing. The base variant of the 2025 Maruti Cervo starts at an estimated A superscript 14.99 lakh ex-showroom, making it one of the most affordable cars with modern features in the market. The mid-variant with additional infotainment and cosmetic upgrades is priced around A superscript 15.49 lakh. While the top-end AMT version with all features included goes up to approximately A superscript 16.29 lakh. This makes the Cervo not just budget-friendly, but also great value for money when you consider the features it packs in. To wrap up, the Maruti Cervo 2025 is a smart, stylish, and efficient hatchback that fills the gap between entry-level cars and premium city commuters. It's practical for daily use, easy to maintain, and comes with Maruti's extensive service network. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or looking for a reliable second car, the Cervo checks all the right boxes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars. Let me know if you'd like a voiceover version or subtitles script too.